In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make digital stickers in Canva. We'll start from a blank canvas and build a clean, professional sticker you can use in planners, social posts, or messaging. First, open Canva. On the home page, click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. For a simple square sticker, type in 1000 by 1000 pixels. A square is versatile and easy to place, and 1000 pixels gives you a crisp result without creating a huge file. If you already know you need a different shape or size, you can type those dimensions instead, but a square is a great starting point. With your canvas ready, it's time to design. If you want a quick jump start, use templates. In the search bar, type stickers to browse pre-made layouts. Pick one you like and customize the colors, fonts, and graphics to fit your style. If you'd rather build from scratch, start on a blank page. Head to the Elements tab to add shapes, icons, and graphics. Circles are perfect for outlines and backgrounds, and simple icons help your design read well at small sizes. Keep the concept focused. Stickers are often viewed small, so bold shapes and clear contrast are your friends. If you have your own artwork or photos, open the Uploads tab and bring them into the design. Drag them onto the canvas and size them as needed. Next, add text. Click the Text tab to choose fonts and add words like dates, names, or short phrases. Stickers work best with concise wording, so keep it punchy. Pair one bold font with a simple one for clarity, adjust size and spacing, and align your text with the graphics so everything feels balanced. Now create the classic sticker look. Add a background shape, like a white circle, and send it behind your design so it frames everything. To get that cutout feel, add a border or apply a subtle shadow effect to the shape or main element. A slightly thicker outline helps the sticker pop on any background, while a soft shadow adds depth. Nudge elements so the spacing around the edge is even, and check that nothing important sits too close to the border. When you're happy with the layout, select all the parts of your sticker and group them so they move as one. Grouping keeps your text and graphics locked together, making it easy to resize, rotate, or reposition without losing alignment. That's it, your digital sticker is designed and ready to use. Thanks for watching.